A heavenlier function with a finer mode, lit with its grace, man's outward earthliness, the soul's experience of its deeper shades, no more slept drugged by matter's dominance. The seer is born within, the seer is born within Ashapati. Pure perception brings purer joy, the purer joy of life, the purer meaning of life, the purer meaning of existence. The external forms of things deceive no more the inner preciousness of things, deceive no more the inner perception, the perception of the inner soul. Life lives in oneness with every life, with every creature kind. Waves of happiness and hope pour into the immobile ocean of calm. Earthly strings play the ethereal symphonies. Nerves and tissue thrill to another music. Nerves and tissue, they become sensitive. They become sensitive cause for another harmony's expression. They experience ecstasy. The physical body attains the demands of the spirit, responds to the demands of the spirit. Its instruments are the acolytes of the manifesting spirit, are the helpers, the assistants of the manifesting spirit, are the manifesting greatnesses. Outward earthliness is lit with heavenlier functions, and finer modes find joy in them. The deeper shades awaken to the presence of the soul. Deeper shades which are there in us, they awaken to the presence of the soul. No more they are drugged or gagged by matter's stupidities. The most sacred body, the supra-terrestrial body, the diamond body, Vajramaya Sharira, the light body, the body of bliss, the immortal body, Sukshma Sharira, subtle body. This is what the gross or the sthula becomes. Inner body is found within and around the gross material body. There is the Annamaya body, the gross body, Annamaya Sharira. There is Pranamaya, Manormaya, Vijnanamaya Sharira, the subtle body. There is the Anandamaya body, the causal body. Causal body is formed in the case of the yogi. Ashapati sits in the secret chambers and looks out into the luminous countries of the unborn, countries where all things seen or dreamed are true. The seer is born within him. His body has undergone a change. A new body is formed. A new subtle body is formed within him. Numerous countries are the unborn. Yes, these countries come into view. These countries where dreams become true come into view. Countries where all things seen or dreamed are true, they come into his view. The moment that new sight is born in him with the new subtle body formed in him, the yogi has now stepped into another world of luminosity.